What is the one word for a person who is frightened and in need of help? The correct answer is desperate. What is the one word for harshly uninviting or formidable in manner or appearance? The correct answer is grim. What is the one word for developed with extreme subtlety? The correct answer is delicate. What is the one word for not eager? The correct answer is reluctant. What is the one word for get over an illness or shock? The correct answer is convalesce. What is the one word for a long projecting or anterior elongation of an animal's head? The correct answer is snout. What is the one word for come together? The correct answer is encounter. What is the one word for draw someone's attention away from something? The correct answer is distract. What is the one word for give to a charity or good cause? The correct answer is donate. What is the one word for command against? The correct answer is prohibit. What is the one word for helping someone grow up to be a member of the community? The correct answer is upbringing. What is the one word for extremely cold? The correct answer is frigid. What is the one word for enduring trying circumstances with even temper? The correct answer is patient. What is the one word for remove, usually with some force or effort? The correct answer is extract. What is the one word for marked by defiant disregard for danger or consequences? The correct answer is foolhardy. What is the one word for accept an excuse for? The correct answer is pardon. What is the one word for lacking taste or flavor or tang? The correct answer is bland. What is the one word for a person who travels by foot? The correct answer is pedestrian. What is the one word for run away quickly? The correct answer is flee. What is the one word for cause physical pain or suffering in? The correct answer is afflict.